Hello my dear students, welcome to the first video lecture of human reproduction. My dear students, can you tell me, is it possible for a human or any plant or any animal to live thousands of years on earth? Obviously, your answer must be no. Then how come life existed on earth? Can you tell me? By reproduction. Definitely. The answer is these organisms reproduce and produce their progeny, and their progeny live for long. So my dear students, in this chapter we will be going to deal about the human reproduction. Before going into detail, can you tell me what is reproduction? My dear students, reproduction is the process of organism to produce its progeny and for continuity of species, right? Okay, so my dear students, human reproduce sexually. What do you mean by sexual reproduction? Sexual reproduction means male, see, this is representation of male and this is representation of female. So male organism produce sperm and female organism produce ova. Okay my dear students, and this process of production of gametes is known as gametogenesis. Genesis means formation. Here there is formation of my dear students gametes. Okay, so male will produce sperm and female will produce ova. Now the next event of human reproduction is male will release his sperm in female genital tract, and this process is known as insemination. What is insemination, my dear students? In for inside, semination is for release of semen inside female genital tract. So release of semen in female genital tract. After release of semen, my dear students, these sperms will reach fallopian tube. What is fallopian tube? I will tell you in female reproductive system. And then these sperm will fertilize ova, and this event is known as fertilization. After fertilization, a diploid zygote will be produced. Why I am saying diploid? Diploid means the zygote, the cell, the fused cell will get one chromosome from father and one chromosome from mother. So a haploid sperm and haploid ova will fertilize and give rise to diploid zygote. Okay, we will discuss all these things in detail further in this chapter only. I am giving you a short introduction that what we will be going to study in this chapter. After formation of zygote, my dear students, it will be converted into embryo, and this embryo will develop. So embryonic development will occur. This process of embryonic development, my dear students, is known as gestation. What do you mean by that? Gestation. In human, it takes 9 months to develop a baby. Okay, after development, my dear students, this baby is release, or you can say release is not a good term, actually I'll say delivery of a baby is a correct term, and for that parturition term is given. So what is parturition, my dear student? Parturition means delivery of a baby, fully developed baby, you can say. So we will study all these events in detail in this chapter, my dear students. Now the next topic on which I'll be going to make the video is male reproductive system.